Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about rose classification. In India, several species were found under cultivation, mostly in Himalaya ranges. The cultivation of roses was perhaps taken up during the Mughal period. Babur introduced the Persian or Damask rose into India 1526. The Edward rose, Rosa purpureana, was introduced in 1840 during British rule. Both damask and Edward roses are highly scented and are being extensively cultivated in India. The major rose producing states are Karnataka, Maharashtra, Punjab, UP, Delhi, and Chandigarh, while in Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, and West Bengal grown to a limited extent. Classes of present day garden roses. First one is hybrid tea, developed by crossing between hybrid perpetual and hybrid tea roses, most popular rose type, bearing large, highly scented flowers. Examples are La France, 1867, first cultivar of this type. Second, Floribunda, hybrid Polyantha, developed in 1924 from the cross between hybrid teas and Polyantha. They combine the beautiful forms of the hybrid teas with the perpetual flowering habit of the Polyanthas. Flowering in cluster with small size and open center. Good for garden. Example is Jumin Jack. Third, hybrid perpetual. They are the immediate forerunners of hybrid tea. These are considered to be the offsprings of Rosa chinensis, Rosa gallica, and Rosa centifolia. They are not perpetual flowering types, as the name suggests, but they flower most than once in the year or season. Example Princess Helens. Next class is teas, also called as tea-scented China roses. They derive their names from their distinct's aroma. They have originated from Rosa chinensis and Rosa gignatian, Manipur tea roses. Free flower types, example Anna Ulvis, Lady Ellington. Grandifloras, mainly obtained from the crosses between hybrid tea and Floribunda type, produce large flowering cluster with fine form. Example Buccaneer 1952, June Bride 1957, Montezuma 1955, Queen Elizabeth 1954, Jaeger in 2000. Polyantha. Dwarf small flower polyanthas were forerunner of floribundas, blooms for several months. Their ancestry include crosses of Rosa multiflora and Rosa victoriana, and the Bengal hybrid rose, Rosa indica, Rosa chinensis. Example La Paraquet in 1875, Baby Fiorex 1924, Eco 1940. China roses. It is responsible for nearly all the present day popular roses. Bears red to nearly white flowers in small cluster, also called Bengal rose or monthly roses. Perpetual flowering types. Green roses, also included in these groups, Rosa chinensis, viridiflora. Miniature roses, popularly known as baby roses with small leaves and flowers. They are hardy and good for pot culture, multiplied by cuttings as well as budding on rootstock. Example Baby Gold Star 1940, Baby Masquerade 1956, Cinderella 1952, Peon 1936. Climbers and ramblers. Climbers with a large cluster of small, single or double flowers mainly belongs to two groups. Multiflora ramblers, Rosa multiflora. Example is Blush Rambler 1903, Crimson Rambler 1890, Victoriana Ramblers for Rosa Victoriana, example America Pila, used for training on arches, pergolas, etc. Damax Rose. This belongs to the species Rosa damascene, originated from the cross between Rosa Vivencia and Rosa gallica, bears clusters of very fragrant pale pink to red double petal flowers. Example Madame Hardy 1832, Celsiana Hebes 1921. Bourbon rose, Rosa borboriana. They have originated from a natural cross between China rose and the Damask rose. It is named after the name island, Isle de Bourbon, 1870. Florivorous over the long season and borne singly or in cluster. Have large petals, double flower, wide and silky, and are very scented. Example Rose Edward, Bourbon Queen, 1935. Cabbage rose, these belongs to the species Rosa centifolia and they are also called as a province rose. They bear large, solitary, very fragrant pink flowers. Example Demox and Chippy de Napoleon 1827. Petal arrangement is like a cabbage, hence the name is cabbage rose. Moss rose, they belong to the cabbage rose class and arose as a sports of the centifolias, growing closely like moss all over the seed pod and sepals. Example Old Pink Moss 1845. French rose, also known as Gallica roses, having developed from Rosa gallica. These are perhaps the oldest types of cultivated rose known. Includes pink or crimson colors with a good fragrance, having medicinal properties. Bella de Crisi, Cardinal de Richelieu. These are the examples. Next is Alba. Along with the Gallicas and Damax, the Albas constitute truly old golden roses, originated from cross between Rosa carimbifera and Rosa gallica, very hardy and bear white or pinkish flowers with delightful fragrance. Example Celestial Queen, Queen of Denmark, Denmark. Musk rose, Rosa moschata, is the musk rose, derived its name from the musky fragrance of the flowers. They make roses, good shrub roses as well as pillar roses. Example Eva, Felicia, Moonlight, etc. Nosety roses originated from Rosa chinensis and Rosa moschata or is a hybrid of China, rose and musk rose. Climber in nature. Example Lamarck, Marichal Nail. Next is Rugosa, Rosa rugosa, very hardy type which do well on the seashore. Very vigorous, resistance to cold, good for hedge because of highly thorny nature, bears large red or white flowers. Example blank double D cobalt. So this was all about the classification of roses. These are the modern classification of rose. Thanks for watching.